it's Crystal with Crystal's Diversity Creation. So I'm getting ready to run into All American Printing to get a Epson F170. So this is my first time in this store. I've heard a lot about it, so I want to see what they offer. So let's go. So this is actually it. And here's the Epson. Ouch. So. So if you're local in Philadelphia and you're picking up, you need to go over to this window over here. These folks were nice enough, although I hadn't placed an order to make a printer available. The Epson F170, which is a sublimation printer. And what that basically means is that now, I don't have to worry about, breaking a warranty. And it's already set up for sublimation. And the one that I just showed you all was like $229, I think. This one here was $399, and I know it's a little bit more, but it's intended for sublimation. And technically, it's not really that much more, simply because it comes with the ink, and the ink is like $100 for the full set. So since it comes with the ink, basically you're only paying $299. So let's see what's in the box. So let's just slide this over. So you have your instructions and such, and it's supposed to be like ready to go, literally right out of the box. So that's kind of exciting too, because like I said, I got stuff to do, and I didn't want to have to take a whole bunch of time setting it up. It's nice and compact. It does only print up to 8.5 by 14. That's the only downside, but they do have a larger one. But my God, the price goes from $399 up to like $2,500 for it's their like wide. Not 100% sure, but I think it's called the Epson F570. But you can't get these printers everywhere. You only can get them at like the store that I actually purchased this one from, which is a store that sells like DTF printers and things like that. And we actually have it. It's local to me. It's less than about a good 15 minutes away. I've never been to the store. I was in there today. And the only thing I will say is I think it's called AA American Printing or something like that. AA American Printing. And the only thing is you're better off ordering online, because I got there at like about 4:15 and they closed at 5. And then they were like, they don't take any orders. You need to do it online. They only take orders up to 4. So if you're going to go in there, it's in Philadelphia. If you're going to go in there, order online and try to get there by, I'm going to say 3:30. So that way you don't have any problems ordering. The other thing, which was kind of odd, was they wanted to take a picture of my credit card, which I refused. And so they were okay with, they'd already charged my credit card. And they were okay with just taking a picture of my license. And they said that that was for security. For my security, I would rather not. So we didn't. But anyhow, here's the ink. And they'll give you just a little samples. This is actually full size cartridges. So that's pretty good. So that's why I said it's really like $100 value, because I think these are actually sold individually and they're $25 a piece. So, oh, and during this time, today is October the 22nd. And today, I think till the end of the month, when you buy this, you actually get $25 back. So a $25 rebate. So that's basically all that you get in here, but it's everything that you need to go ahead and get started. And what was nice also about AA American Printing Store was that they have some instructional videos for you as well, and they have a separate place for you to grab the most recent drivers. So I'm going to be setting this up and running a few prints, but I just wanted to show you what I decided to go along with. And honestly, up until maybe 2 days ago, I didn't even know that Epson sold a sublimation printer. So I actually was kind of excited because I'd rather go with something and that's what it actually is intended for, as opposed to converting it and not knowing how to ink and, you know, that printer really, you know, marry up. So here we are. This is what we have. And again, it does 8.5 by 11 and 8.5 by 14. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks as always for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Take care.